how to sync your iPhone with your iPad. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your phone and go to the settings. Tap your name and make sure that you're logged into the same Apple account on your phone as you are with your iPad. Then go to iCloud. Click Save to iCloud See All, and then turn on whatever you want to share with your iPad. And then do the same exact thing on your iPad. So for example, if you want to share your photos, and make sure Sync this iPhone is enabled. If you do have too many pictures or too much data, you're gonna maybe need to upgrade to Google Plus for more space. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.